How to get more views as a small channel. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get more views as a small channel. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to get more views as a small channel, what you need to do is to utilize YouTube Shorts. This is because YouTube Shorts will let your channel be introduced to people who are searching for relevant content that is relevant to your YouTube Shorts. So right here, if your Shorts is about luxury and people who are searching for luxury encountered other videos related to that, then they will redirect to you in there. So in that way, even though they aren't subscribed, then they should be able to see your channel even though they aren't subscribed. So just utilize those YouTube Shorts. Additionally, you can earn through YouTube Shorts by having an ad after or before your YouTube Shorts. So in that way, you can also earn even though you're small. So the next thing is to head over to YouTube Analytics, because Analytics actually depends on your small channel. So just post consistently on your YouTube Shorts. As you can see right here, I have my dashboard, and in here I have my latest YouTube Short performance. So in here you can see the first 58 days and 6 hours. These are the analytics of my YouTube Shorts. So just click on this go to video analytics and you will see the full analytics of your video. So make sure to improve it like this and improve that more in order to get more views as a small channel. So just post relevant contents and then utilize the use of hashtags that is relevant to your content and also that will entice viewers. You can also use stitches in order to get more views and actually make them hook to your content. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get more views as a small channel. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.